god, these wires in the road. Hello guys and welcome back to Tanyalogy Moto Vlogs. Okay, so let's get back to the business. Let's talk about what's special, man. It's a moto exhibition which is happening in Italy, and ये हर साल होता है. Every year it happened. So this year, what I have not went there, but this is the first time I'm came across new vehicles that has been launched here, like KTM, Hero, BMW, Royal Enfield Classic 650, and Royal Enfield also have not released officially, but unveiled electric bikes. I think that will be fun if it's coming to the market. So we are expecting lots of new bikes, and also especially I wanted to talk about the Hero Expulse. So this bike, you know, it has 210cc engine and new LED headlights and new, you know, TFT display, and also it has a good look compared to Kawasaki, which it was newly launched, but it has not released the price officially. So I think the build quality differs between Kawasaki and Hero, but the only problem here is Kawasaki. I think it might be little expensive because of the build quality, and it has a brand name. Usually the Kawasaki, all the bikes are a little expensive. But whoever wants to go for touring and as well as for the hardcore off-roading, I think they can go for Hero, and also the parts are less expensive and the service are good on both the bikes. KTM 390 with a new chassis and new engine, and it has a good TFT display also. And also one more thing I wanted to put it over here is, it has the 1390cc bike also, adventure, and it has a huge display. If you can see, it is like similar to iPad, TFT display is there, and it has a good body, a huge beast body. There are lots of other bikes has been launched, and one more thing Royal Enfield has recently launched is the Beer, Royal Enfield Beer 650, I think so. It's like a shotgun, but how good it is, even I don't know, because last time I went to the showroom and I didn't see that for the test drive. So I'm waiting for that. If it comes, I'll make a short video of it. So all the brands, they come together and show their skills, show their technologies that they had, and the enhancement they have done on the existing bike. So you can enjoy, in coming days. I think so motorcycle business is going to be massive. Aprilia also has launched some good vehicle. I don't know what is the name of that. And also Charisma, a new version, has been introduced. And BMW, I think mostly Enduras. There are a lot of other segments also, but fully I am not aware of it because I am not physically over there. But next time I think so, Italy, we have to go there, Europe, because it's the biggest exhibition that is happening across Europe. If you love this, you have to love everything about the motorcycle. Okay, so, and one more thing, how I got crazy day by day, I am going to tell that coming videos. So stay tuned. I'm going to make a playlist where along with the motorcycle vlog, I'm going to tell my personal life experience. Even though we are working, but we have to invest in our hobbies. So better start investing in your hobbies. That will take you somewhere. not your 9 to 5 job or your usual work. Get into the business. So nice day. Pretty much hot out here, man. It's a winter, but पहले तो क्या होता था last time, you know, even in the winter, if you are riding, हाथ थोड़ा ठंडा होता था, but now कुछ भी नहीं है, गर्म हो रहा है अंदर. थोड़ा बहुत स्वेट नहीं आता था, लेकिन अभी तो इतना स्वेट आने लग गया कि भाई पूरा अंदर से भीग चुका हूँ मैं.